Hello everyone, this is the next lesson from Serena, and today we are going to make no face earrings, which means that the earrings gonna be the same shape from any side. So no face, no front. So this is the simplest long earrings, and we are going to make connectors from beads and link them together. So this is Lovely Kid beads or black Labrador, around 1 centimeter facetted, shining, sparkling inside gray beads, and natural coral, 2 shapes. This is a regular shape, sliced beads, natural coral, generally used in ethno style jewelry, and the round ball around 5-6 millimeters, and lots of pins and hooks. Pins I'm going to use as pins, and eye head pins as well. So it will be economical style. So I'm gonna make a hook on the top just to create connector using this bead. Just I make few loops, and then I cut from the other side just to make another loop. I'm making only one, so it will be opening. We don't need to open it actually, but I need a thin hook from one side. 2 loops I make from other side to make the construction stronger, because my pins are thin. So same thing I do with another 2 Lovely Kid beads. Very simple design, but very effective. Like earrings look big and lots of volume inside, and very lovely for ethno style when you're making ethno jewelry. Good looking with the Tibet style crafts, especially if you have necklace with the same beads, with the like huge Tibet style pendant with coral. I already made the sets, similar sets. So I opened the hook, and now I will add all 3 Lovely Kid beads. It would be the basic of our earrings. Don't take bigger size beads, it never looks fine. 1 centimeter is maximum. Now I close it, properly close it, otherwise I will lose beads while wearing earrings. So make sure that you close ear hooks properly. So that's what we have. And now I press gently the hooks from opposite side of Lovely Kid beads. I press them down I make sure that the all rings looking down, they are not looking from all sides of earring, but they are looking straight down. Just I'm now organizing the basic of earrings. It's better to make if the pins are thin. Thick pins are not so flexible, but they are stronger, and the construction would be more useful and not breakable. So just watch which kind of pins you have. So now I'm making connectors from flat irregular beads. Flat irregular beads look perfect when you make a necklace, also in ethno style. Especially looks good with the blue color or black color. Today we are going to use gray and red colors, which also looks very, I would say, conservative even. But I like these matching colors. So I make same thing, 2 loops from both sides. That's how it looks like. And also I am economing pins in the same way, because I'm not going to throw away half of pin. I have long ones. If you have small one, small size pin, you would need more pins, of course. So now I'm adding flat red coral to the lubricant beads. Just connecting them together. So this is the next segment of earring. Rather difficult to show from up to down, because my camera is a bit above me. And now just I'm fixing the small coral beads on pins and adding them to irregular shape coral. This would be the last segment. You can make long earrings. Looks very nice if you use big size beads in the beginning and finishing with the tiny ones in the end. So you can make 5 segments, for example, which will be long earrings. By the way, this sort of earrings never looks good on photo, especially my one, because it's ethno style. I'm using the irregular beads, so it's not looking too much accurate, but when you're wearing them they look so awesome. So now I'm finishing. Make sure that all hooks are the same size. This is the only rule for this kind of earrings. So in the end, the length of any segment would be the same. Just I will try to show them to you. I don't know how. So you'll probably see them on picture. Look like this. So from each side, this earring look the same. So there is no difference how you connect the hook to these earrings. So whatever you are turning them from left to right, they look the same. So this is the difference. It's a connector earrings. We use the beads as connectors, but we have no face, these earrings. They are all the same from back to front, from left to right. Okay, just wait for your next lesson and we will create new lovely earrings next time. So see you very soon. Everyone, goodbye.